Hi, Captain Peter Cutsey. Now that airlines are spooling up and calling many pilots back for training, I would like to provide my services to those who are interested, especially the new aspiring pilots who are getting ready for an assessment simulator ride, or the more seasoned pilots who are preparing for the recurrent training or a refresher course or any other kind of training. I would like to provide you with the following. Let's have a look at a PDF file here. Our pre-sim briefings conducted in this environment online through Zoom. That is my briefing room. And you'd only go there when we have actually set an appointment to meet there. I provide recurrent training, refresher training, and other types also. A scheduled Zoom meeting comes first. So if you're interested, we will meet each other through this medium. And if you're interested, the requirements are as follows. I need your sim script, profile, maneuvers. I need the airports you're going to work, the approaches for your training. Also, the weights that you are using for your script profile. I'll provide the operational flight plan. I'll provide the current Jeppesen charts. And we do our training in a simulator. As you can see on the screen, we're sitting at the holding point of runway 08 left in Muscat. The scheduled meetings are 2-hour briefings, a minimum of 3 briefings. We require that for continuity. We meet online 10 minutes prior to the briefing time. And all briefings are scheduled in GMT, as I have clients around the world. And so to avoid confusion, we'll use GMT for the scheduled times. I encourage the tutoring or the briefing with a crew or 2 crews, that is up to 4 people. If you care to have the briefing alone, it'll cost you more. The briefings are recorded and they're uploaded into a specified personal Google Drive folder that I'll create for you. So you can use it, that briefing or those briefings, again and again prior to your actual sim briefing for your recurrent training. If you actually share the briefing with another crew member or 4 pilots all together, you will share the costs. The cost is the same for the briefing. So all of those of you who are interested in simulator flight training tutoring online, you must be subscribers to my Google Drive package first. And how do you do that? Contact me. The contact information is here. And you can call me to my mobile. Please don't go to my simulator room unless I've made an appointment to meet you there. If you want to have a look at what I've done and am doing currently, you can go to this link on YouTube. So I hope to hear from you, and I'll give you a professional briefing and get you up to speed for your return to your airline. Thank you.